Hi everybody. So I am going to talk about your activating the audiences across ad platforms with high match rate. So this is a gist that we are going to talk about. But the one question that I have for all of you is in this page in this watching this video, are you actually tracking and activating the anonymous website visitors as well? For example, I visited your site, I browse couple of pages, browse couple of products, maybe saw the pricing page, maybe added to cart few products. I left the site. Now you wanted to target me 3 months later. Will you be able to target me? To target me, do you have the anonymous user data collected? Are you able to activate them? Even if you activate, is Facebook able to identify them? Are you able to activate the audiences properly? So basically 98 percentage of your website visitors are anonymous, and the remaining 2% is somebody who's already purchased and you have their personal information. To break this down even more, let's say 2 percentage of the audience you have by default, their first name, last name, email id, all that you have. Let's say average bounce rate and junk audience in a website is 30 to 35 percentage. Let's eliminate them as well. What happens to the remaining 60% to 65 percentage of the audience who is high intent, who you actually paid for that audience to be on the website and they left, and you are not targeting them as well? So where is that audience? Like, what happened to them? What happened to the anonymous audience? So since we are not targeting them, since we are not using the entire first party data collection on your website, your campaigns are not performing good, the match rates are not really great, and the overall ROAS and all of this is low. Why is it happening? Because due to these many other reasons, the third party cookie going away, the privacy concerns, iOS updates, Chrome's updates, these things are going to get even more restricted, and brands and ad platforms will not be able to collect these user behavior data. Because of these privacy concerns. So are we going to, okay, fine, this is not happening, are we going to sit quiet? No, right? So the future of advertising is absolutely first party data. So for the proof of that is the industry best custom audience match rate with 2 to 3x percentage higher for anonymous audience, especially you'll get it on customer labs. So this is one of the case study. Facebook was able to match only 6 to 7 lakhs from the 2 million of audiences that we synced. But first party data, when we sync the first party data, we are able to get a match rate of 15 to 18 lakhs, which is like 70 to 80 percent of the total match rate. So this is the match rate we are able to promise because we have patented this particular technology, and you will not find this match rate across industries and across platforms. So now you have the audiences, right? You have the perfect audiences. Now with this audience, you will be able to create as much as audience as you want, and you will be able to sync it with as much destination that you want: Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, Klaviyo, TikTok, anywhere that you wanted to send, you will be able to sync these audiences to any platforms that you want. So these are all the destinations that we have, and if you wanted a custom destination, you will be able to do that as well.